You can view and print any Squarespace-related invoices from within your Billing and Account panel. To do so, log into your site and then select Settings, Billing and Account, and Invoices. Every payment will have its own invoice, which will appear in chronological order, starting with your most recent payment. On each invoice, you can find the amount paid, the site URL, the service or subscription in question, in addition to the name and last 4 digits of the card charged. Keep in mind, our team will never send invoices through a chat or an email for security purposes. Lastly, each invoice is site-specific. This means that if you have multiple sites, you'll have to log into each one separately to check those invoices. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.